Dakota and Maverick. They turned 1 year old. So they have birthday cake. So if you guys want to help us sing happy birthday to them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maverick and Dakota. Happy birthday to you. Okay, ladies.
And they're in here with their grandmother, Ramona.
There it goes.
Oh, yes. Look at it.
No.
No, sweetie. This is yours.
And they don't need it. No, they go to sleep. It's the kale good, Maverick.
And Grandma on the right. Ramona, yum yum, huh?